Hello guys, how you guys doing? Today I'm just going to do this easy and cute hairstyle inspired from Game of Thrones. So I'm just gonna start with my wavy hair. So for that I'm just gonna take a comb and just do a center parting like so. And then I'm gonna take a little hair from one section. So I'm just gonna pick up a little hair and I'm gonna split that section in two, and then I'm just gonna divide them equally, and then I'm gonna take the top portion over the next one, and then again I'm gonna add hair to the lower piece, and then I'm gonna take it over the next one. So add a hair to the lower piece and take it over the next one. So I'm just gonna take a little hair and then add it to the lower piece. Just watch carefully, so I'm sure you'll understand as you go further in the video. So I'm just gonna pick up a little hair from the lower section, take it over the next one. So I'm just gonna add hair to the lower piece and take it over the next one. So once I am done with the pink hair, I'm just gonna twist the two strands over each other, and then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and secure them in place. So it's basically like a rope twist braid thing. So I'm just gonna do the same exact thing twice on the same side. So I'm gonna pick up hair again, and then I'm gonna split that in two sections, and then I'm gonna twist it over the previous one. Again, add hair to the lower piece and take it over the next one. So I'm just gonna do the same thing again, add hair to the lower piece and take it over the next one. So again, add a little hair to the lower piece and take it over over the previous one. So just gonna stop picking hair now, and I'm gonna twist it, and I'm gonna take a bobby pin again and secure that in place. So I'm just gonna do the same thing again. So you might just see that I don't have much hair left, but I'm still gonna do it. I'm gonna pick up hair with the lower piece and take it over the next one. Pick up a little hair and take it over the next one. So as I haven't brushed my hair, it's a bit tangly. So once I do my hair wavy, I don't brush because I end up looking like lioness, so I just don't brush it. So this is how I do my twisties. So again, I'm just gonna pick up a little more hair, but this time I'm not gonna do any twist. I'm just gonna take it a little hair and I'm gonna just loosely pin that back with a bobby pin, as you can see. So I really like this hairstyle. I'm gonna do this on the other side as well. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. I'm just gonna pick up a little hair, split that, and pick up hair with the outer pieces. I'm gonna twist them and then pick up hair with the lower piece. So just pay attention and you'll just get it. Just try a couple of times. I'm sure that you'll get it. It's really easy and it looks so cute, especially if you have wavy hair. I naturally have very straight hair, so I like to wet my hair and braid my hair and sleep overnight, and then I get these waves the next morning. And I love wavy hair. I love any textured hair, like curly hair, wavy hair. Looks really good with any hairstyles. But I still do straightening a lot on my hair, just because my hair is a bit frizzy and it's not really manageable. Even though it's not curly or wavy, I have naturally straight hair, but I wouldn't say it's pin straight, but it's kind of straight. And I do straightening just because it gets a little more soft and smooth, that's why. But now it's damaging a lot, so I decided to stop straightening and start natural techniques to wave my hair. So I'm just gonna upload a video really soon. I'll just show you how to do this wavy hair, which is completely natural, no damage, and you'll grow your hair just as fast as you would grow if you wouldn't have used any heat tools. So I'm just gonna pin all my twists back. I love wavy hair, especially in the Game of Thrones. Really inspired me to do wavy hair. It's so nice. Daenerys, she has beautiful hairstyles. I really like all of her hairstyles. So if your hair gets a little bit of messy in the back, that's alright, because it's wavy hair. It's supposed to be messy, and the messy looks really nice. This is the final result. This is how my hairstyle turned out to be. So this is how it looks like. It is really easy and looks so cute. I really like this hairstyle, and it looks really good if you have a small face like mine. So yeah, that is about it for this video. Hope you enjoy, hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see any other Game of Thrones hairstyles. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye everyone.